Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a look at ETHUSD on November 17, 2024. First, let's discuss the major news and events that might be impacting Ethereum's price. Recent headlines suggest a potential 60% rally for ETH, despite a recent minor decline. Some analysts believe Bitcoin and Ethereum are close to a buy-the-dip point. However, other sources express concern about Ethereum's long-term prospects compared to Bitcoin. Now, let's analyze the ETHUSD daily chart. We can see significant price volatility throughout the year. Notice the strong price rally in mid-July, followed by a period of consolidation and a subsequent substantial drop around August 17th. This major drop was likely influenced by the bearish sentiment in the news. The price then started consolidating between 1600 and 1700 before another leg up. A closer look at the 1-hour chart reveals a lot more detail. We can pinpoint more precise support and resistance levels and analyze shorter-term price swings. Note the consistent support around the 1600 level earlier in the year and the resistance level at 1700. If we focus on more recent activity, the chart shows a strong upward trend. The 15-minute chart provides even finer granularity. Notice the rapid price swings throughout the recent week. Look at the recent price action above 3,000. Notice the numerous smaller consolidations before the price broke out. To summarize, the ETHUSD price has shown resilience despite some significant dips throughout the year. There's a considerable amount of bullish sentiment based on recent price action and news indicating a potential rally. We can see key support around the 1600 and 2500 levels and resistance at 1700 and 2700. These levels may be influenced by the recent positive news and a potential for the price to go up. However, there are also some bearish indicators. The price could face some resistance based on previous highs. The long-term outlook, relative to Bitcoin, still faces some negative sentiment, which could impact the price. Short-term price swings could occur based on how the price moves relative to the key levels we just discussed. Looking ahead, it's vital to monitor news and events, paying close attention to any regulatory announcements or technological developments within the Ethereum ecosystem. Keep a close eye on the 1600, 2000, and 2500 levels for support, and 1700, 2000, 2700, and 3000 for resistance. A break above 3,000 could signal a major upward trend, while a drop below 2,000 might indicate a prolonged bear market. Trading decisions should be made considering both short-term price fluctuations on hourly and 15-minute charts as well as broader trends on the daily chart.